Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us now look at impossible events and sure events. We start with impossible event. Consider the experiment of throwing a dice once and say our event is getting a number greater than 8. Now we know that there are only 6 possible outcomes in a single throw of dice, and those are 1 to 6. Since no face of the dice is marked 8, so there is no outcome favorable to our event getting a number greater than 8. That is, number of such possible outcomes is 0. In other words, getting 8 in a single throw of a dice is impossible. So probability of getting 8 is 0 by 6, which is equal to 0. Hence we come to the conclusion that the probability of an event which is impossible to occur is 0, and such an event is called impossible event. Now consider another event for the same experiment of throwing a dice once. Event F is getting a number less than 7. Then clearly every face of a dice is marked with number less than 7. So it is sure that we will always get a number less than 7 when we throw this dice once. So the number of favorable outcomes is the same as the number of all possible outcomes, and probability of the event F is equal to 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. Hence we can say that probability of an event which is sure to happen is 1, and such an event is called sure event. Here we would also like to note that from definition of the probability of an event, we see that the numerator is always less than or equal to the denominator. Therefore, probability of an event A is always greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Let us read the question. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace and of not being an ace. Before solving this question, let us try to understand what all consists of a deck of cards. Total number of cards in a deck of cards is 52, which are divided into 4 suits of 13 cards each. Name of the suits are as follows. We have diamonds, clubs, heart, and spade. Clearly, club and spades are of black color, while heart and diamonds are red color. Also, the cards in each suit are ace, then we have queens, king, jack, and then the numbers 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Out of these, king, queen, jack and ace are called face cards. Let us now come back to the question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, and we have to calculate the probability that we get an ace. Let us define event E to be to draw a card which is an ace. Then the number of favorable outcomes to E are 4, because we can see there are 4 A's in a deck of cards. So number of favorable outcomes are 4, and probability of E will be number of favorable outcomes to the event by total number of possible outcomes, which is 52. Hence, probability of getting an ace is 1 by 13. We also have to calculate the probability of not getting an ace, which can also be understood as not getting E. So probability of E bar, that is not getting an ace, will be equal to 1 minus the probability of happening of E, that is it is 1 minus 1 by 13, that is 13 minus 1 by 13, that is 12 by 13 is the probability of not getting an ace. Let us check whether we have done it correctly. Say we had defined F to be not getting an ace, then favorable outcomes to F will be 52 minus 4, that is 48. Then probability of F will be 48 by 52, which is 12 by 13.